Morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you about a notes app on your mobile. See here, this is not a normal notes app. I'll just list all my to-do lists on this app and the two in color. This is the specialty of this app. And I want to just tell you my experience on this app so that if someone are looking for the one of the best apps available for the notes in the market, you can consider this one also. So if you like this tutorial, or if you like this video about this color notes, please do hit a like so that it may be useful for others too. So on the Play Store you can search as color note, and see here, this is the app what I have installed. See here, color note notepad notes from the publisher called Notes. And one thing I really like this about this app is it got 4.8 ratings and over 100 millions of downloads. Okay, once you install this, what is the specialty of this app? Yeah, the basic advantage of using this color notes app is, see here, for office I can set different color, for vacation I can keep different color. For example, this color I don't like, so I'll click on this color, I'll keep this red. Okay, here red or some light pink. I'll click on the back button. I can just change to some blue or something like that for the vacation. And see here, for office there is a different color, for vacation there is a different color, and for family there is a different color. So each text, each list, I have different versions of showcasing the list or the notes. In this way, this is pretty useful. And not only that, I can just view the details in different order. The customization is what I like. See here, I can use different sort of showcasing the list. And that too, when I open Office to do list, if this UI design is completed, I can tap on it, so it will get strike off, so that I can get to know that this particular to do list has been completed. If I finish this, yes, it is. If I want to reopen it, I'll just click on this once again, so that it again gets to the to do list. That means I need to do this again. Okay, by pressing on the back, it gets saved. To have a new notes, you need to click on this plus, and you need to click on this text area. And here is the header for that, means, or the heading of this notes, maybe like groceries, whatever it may be, you can keep. And you can just click on this part and click on this color, so that it gets into a different color. See
here, groceries. In this way, even actually you can keep the reminders. For example, tomorrow, if you want to keep text, for example, birthday, within this app only. Okay, I'll just keep like this. It got saved. See here. So tomorrow on the app drawer, there is a notification or the reminder will be shown on this from this notes app set. There is some birthday or some whatever the text you gave here on the reminder for 30, you will get that it will remind you. So in a lot of ways this app is really useful. So if you are looking to have one good app on notes, you may consider this. I'm not recommending or something like that, but I just want to share my experience about this. And do let me know in the comments what do you feel about this app, and if you like this video, please do share it to your friends. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.